Everybody, as you can see, I was about to take the kayak out. I was getting ready to film a little montage of me getting the kayak out. I came to this new spot, Lookout Mountain Creek. Now this is actually the creek that me and Anthony got under the bridge and I caught my first carp. So I was really excited to see that there was kayak access, but as you can see, this water is very high right now from all the rain, and this water is just moving a little bit too fast. I don't have a second car, right? So I gotta paddle back to my truck. If I had a second car waiting, maybe. But when the water's really high like this, there's no telling what type of debris and stuff is under there. I've never been here before, so I don't exactly know where the shoreline is. Pretty much, I'm not too comfortable putting the kayak out here, right? The water's really muddy from all the rain. It's coming from the river. I guess we're just gonna go to the lake. I was at the lake yesterday trying out my fly rod for the first time, so the water was really muddy, but maybe after a whole day of no rain and all that, it settled back down. Anyways, guys, just a little intro about this spot. Next time you see me, there's gonna be a little montage of me getting the kayak out. So let's go. I am finally out on the kayak. After switching spots, I was gonna try to get some cool B-roll of me unloading it, but I wasted too much time already. It's already 1 o'clock. I don't have much time left, so pretty much I've got some ultralight gear that I'm gonna be tossing around here, and I actually want to keep some fish. So I've got a tripod set up on the kayak right now, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there because it's not the most stable thing ever. I don't want to lose my phone. Anyways, guys, let's get to fishing. Okay, so things are not going as planned. The water is not cooperating with me. You can see how muddy it is, and it's actually really windy, so it just keeps pushing me back. I'm pretty much fighting the current instead of fishing. I'm gonna try out Harrison Bay and see if the water is a little calmer there, because we are really like on a little inlet of the main part of the river here, and if not, we'll figure something else out. But I gotta switch spots. I don't want to waste any more time. Alright, I've tied on this little rooster tail because they're feeding on something back here. They keep blitzing. Maybe a little bit of vibration will get them going. Alright, it's goat minnow time. At the same spot, fish are jumping. These guys beside me are catching freaking fish. I got no excuse.
Three hours later.
First fish of the day. What is it? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me, dude? Why am I not surprised? I mean, you're too small. I can't even take you home. Only fish in the last 3 hours is this little freaking guy. Well, you know what? Thank you for killing the skunk, little guy. Tell some of your bigger friends to come. That felt good in itself. I mean, it really did. To have something actually tug at me at the end of the line. You know, I wouldn't even mind a little bit bigger bluegill to take home. That's a fish. That's another one. What is it? Oh yeah, that's a better size. That's a better size right there. We'll be keeping this guy. Let's see if I can get another one. That's a fish. Oh yeah. That's a chunky bluegill. That's a freaking chunky one. Oh, we're gonna keep this sucker too. Oh yeah. That was a good fighting fish right there. I'm gonna drop it right back down there again. Gulp minnow did it. I've been out here. I only had like 30 minutes left, but if I'm gonna catch him like that again, he's dropping them on the, they're eating it on the drop too. Ooh. That's a fish. That's another good one. Yeah, I got the chunky blue. I found the chunky bluegill spot. Oh, don't be getting snagged up. Oh crap, I got a fish on. Ah, it's a little baby crappie. Can't keep this one. I'm gonna have to get a bigger one. So everybody, I got to the truck, cleaned up the fish, and I actually forgot to shoot my outro. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Those bluegill were pretty tasty. And please stay tuned for next week's episode of The Everyday Angler.